If you buy something at the market and pay 15 cedis, but the price tag is missing, how do you find the price? That's what linear equations help us solve. A linear equation is a math sentence with an equal sign, where we find the value of an unknown letter, usually x. The x has no powers, just x itself. Think of an equation like a balance scale. Whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other side too. This keeps the equation balanced and true. To solve, we use inverse operations. Addition undoes subtraction. Multiplication undoes division. We use these to get x alone on one side. Example 1. X plus 5 equals 12. We see plus 5 next to x. The inverse of plus 5 is minus 5. Subtract 5 from both sides. 12 minus 5 gives us x equals 7. Always check your answer. Put 7 back in. 7 plus 5 equals 12. Correct. The answer is verified. Example 2, a bit harder. 3x minus 4 equals 11. First add 4 to both sides to remove the minus 4. We get 3x equals 15. Now 3 is multiplying x. The inverse is division. Divide both sides by 3. 15 divided by 3 gives us x equals 5. Check, 3 times 5 minus 4 equals 11. Correct. Common mistake. Many students subtract the coefficient instead of dividing. If 3 times x equals 15, you divide by 3, you do not subtract 3. Remember, multiply means divide. Remember BIC, balance both sides, use inverse operations, and always check your answer. Follow these 3 steps and you will solve any linear equation correctly. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons just like this one. Visit ovasaabi.com for notes, exercises, and past exam questions. See you in the next lesson.